All right, today we've got a Power Wheels front loader. I don't even know what's wrong with it. Someone just dropped it off telling me it was broken. So I'm just gonna take a look and see if I can figure out what's wrong. All right, so none of the buttons seem to do anything. Oh, wow. This looks like it's two-wheel drive. All right, let's start by taking this panel off and revealing the electronics. I'm gonna put all the screws on a tray, and maybe that'll help me not lose them. All right, so just taking that panel off lets me see a lot of the wires. Oh no. I see a circuit board in there. This is a lot more complex than the Power Wheels I pulled out of a trash can for my son. All right, let's just check the battery before I go too deep into this. Maybe it's hooked up backwards. It is two-wheel drive. There's two motors in here. All right, that looks like the charger. All right, so the battery is not hooked up. So I'm pretty glad I checked that. Let's go ahead and hook it up first. This is a DC battery. It's got a positive and a negative. Usually red is the positive. So let's see here. What is this? No idea. No label. See, two motors. Fancy. What is all this? Some relays. Some kind of control circuitry. Does this thing make sound? I'm gonna pop this open and see what this is. Oh, is that a fuse? All right, I'm just gonna try bypassing the fuse for now. All right, just going straight to the battery. And this is a 12 volt. Let's check the voltage with the multimeter. All right, so I'm gonna set it to DC voltage. And I'm getting a 12.9 volt reading, that's right. All right, let's see if the buttons do anything now. Oh, no wonder there's a circuit board. Wow. Put it in forward and then hit the gas. All right, that works. I wonder if they just didn't plug the battery in. We should add that fuse back in though. All right, I'm just gonna put this back on. Oh yeah, wasn't it in this box? Aha, now we're getting somewhere. It doesn't work. It's that fuse. So we could just put it back together without the fuse. Worst case scenario, overheats, catches on fire while the kid's driving it. I think I might order a new fuse though. The replacement thermal fuse came in. So let's plug it in and see if this fixes the problem. So this light isn't coming on anymore, but these ones are. Let's try going forward. It works! Well, I don't know why that button stopped working, but I don't care.
The red button?
Yeah, that's the red button. And